Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss about our next example of type 2 problem. So our problem 4 is we have to draw a DFA that accepts a language L over the input alphabets 0 and 1 such that L is a set of all the strings starting with 0, 0. So in this problem we have to design a DFA in which all the strings which are starting with 0 0 are accepted by our machine. So the step number first will be like this. All the strings of language start with the substring 0 0. So this is the main point of this question. So the length of the substring is 2 because here is 1 0 and second 0. So the length of the substring is 2. So in this case, the minimum number of states required in DFA, we all know that is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So our step number 2 is we will construct a DFA for the following string, that is 00, 000 or so many. So let me construct the DFA for this question. So as usual, Q0 is our starting state here. So the simplest DFA for this is like this. When we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving 0, we enter into a new state, that is our Q1 state. So we are receiving 0 here, and from the state Q1 same, we are receiving 0 again, then we enter into a new state, that is our final state. So we can represent this as QF. So it is our final state, so we have to encircle this with double circle. So this is our final state. So this is the DFA for the simplest string 0 and 0. So we, after receiving the 0 0, we enter into our final state, that is QF. So coming back to the state Q0, there is a path for 0 but there is no path for 1. So what we can do for the 1, we can draw simple a dead state. After receiving this 1 from the state Q0, we enter into a dead state that is represented by capital D, or you can represent this as QD as your wish. So if we are into the state Q0 and if we are receiving 1, then we simply enter into a new state that is known as dead state, and same goes for the state Q1 also. And if we are into the state Q1, then there is a path for 0 but there is no path for 1 here. So we can draw this like this 1. So if we are into our dead state, then we have to draw like this also, 0 and 1. And if we are into our final state and we are receiving whatever 0 or 1, we will enter into the same state. So if we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving 1, then we go into the dead state and we never come out from this state. And if we are receiving 0, then we enter into our new state, that is Q1. And after the state Q1, if we are receiving 0, then we enter into our final state. But when we are into the state Q1 and we are receiving 1, then we again enter into our dead state, because we have to maintain the string that is 0 0 at the starting. So this is important to draw the dead state here. And if we are into our final state and we are receiving 0 and 1, then we retrace into the same state. So this is the DFA machine for this question, this one. So thank you for today's lecture. We'll meet into the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.